Everybody get on up, cause you know we got to get it wrong. Mary J is in the spot tonight, and I'ma make you feel alright.